The cow. The cow is a domestic animal which is considered useful to mankind. It is used as livestock mainly for providing various dairy products like milk, ghee, and cheese. It is found in various colors, shapes, and sizes around the world. In India, the cow is regarded as a sacred animal and worshipped by Hindus from ancient times. It has 2 ears and eyes each, one big nose, 2 sharp horns, a long tail, and 4 limbs. It eats fresh grass, husk, grains, and vegetables. Cow's milk is very nutritious and beneficial for human consumption. Drinking cow milk regularly sharpens our brain and increases immunity power. Farmers often use a male cow known as an ox to plow the fields and draw curds. The cow dung is used by people as fuel and fertilizer for plants and for repelling insects.